Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and now we are on a channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. So student, in this video our chapter going on decimal fractions. As you can see, in this chapter our topic of this video is to express a decimal number into words. Okay, so the decimal number will be given in this video and you will write them in the words as per the given topic here. So you have to also write those decimal numbers in the two forms. Okay, so how you will write these, you will get to know this in this video. So let us start this video with the commitment that you will skip no part of this video till end, otherwise you will miss the concept of the topic to express a decimal number in words in the two forms. Dear student, in this video we have to write the given decimal number in words and also in two ways. So let us start this video. So firstly I will write the first one way and after that I will write the second way. So let us start. This is 0.8. Okay, so I will write 0.8. Okay student, now the second one is 17.09. Okay student, the left hand portion of the decimal, that is called the whole number part, and right hand portion, that is called the decimal part. Whole number part can be read or written as complete whole number and the decimal part is being written only in the digits separately. So let us see how it is. So I will write this 17. Okay, 17, because this is to the left hand side of the decimal. It can be say that this is 17. So I will write 17. After that I will write point. 17 point, this is 9, but I will write 0, 9. Okay student, in the third question, here I will write 0.19. Okay, I will not speak this 19. 0.19 is wrong. You will write this 0.19. Now this is 4.473. You will not speak this 473. You will write this 473. Now 213, this is on the left hand side of the decimal, so I will write this 213. Okay, and after that point 35. Okay student, you will not speak this 35, you will speak this 35. Now this is 5.365. Here this is 1009, so 607. Here 12.008, 0.008. So student, I have explained that how will you write a decimal numeral in the words using one method. Now I am going to write these decimal number in the second form. Okay, so I am pausing this video to get the better understanding for a minute and for the written purpose. So you can take the screenshot of this footage. Going to write this in second form. So you may see that this is 0.8. 0.8, it means it can be converted as 8 over 10. Why? Because 0.8, you will write 1 in the denominator at the place of decimal, and how many digits are after that the decimal, as many 0 you will have to write. So I can write 0.8 as 8/10. Okay student, now on this behalf I will write its second form in words. So 8/10. 8/10 is a decimal fraction and this will be called as 8/10. Okay, 8/10, TEN, 8/10. Okay, this is the second form. Now here you can see this 17.09. This can be written as 17 is a whole number and 0.09 is added to this. So it means 17 plus 9/100. Why 100? Because after decimal there are how many digits? 2 digits. So in place of decimal I have written 1, and how many decimal? As many 0 I will write in the denominator. Okay, so this can be written as 17 and 9. What is this? 100, but I will write hundredths. Okay student, so I will write it 17 and 9 hundredths. Okay, now you can write this 0.19. Okay, so it can be written as 19/100. So you can clearly write this. This was the first one, second, and now this is the third. So this is 19 hundredths. Okay student, now this is the answer of the third part. Now next one is 4.473. So you will write this 4.473. So 4 is complete number, 4 and 473,000th. Okay, see how 4 plus 0.473. Okay, so it can be written as 4 and 473/1000. So you will write as 4 and 473,000th. 4 and 473,000th. Okay student, now we are on question number 5. 213, it means 203.35. Now I will write this 213 and what is this? This is 35 hundredth. Okay, 35 hundredth. Because after decimal student, here only 2 digits are there, and how many zeros are there in 2? If there in 100 only 2 zeros are there, so I will write this 35 hundredth. Okay student, Now I can revise in this way. So you see only one digit is there, so I will write 8 tenths. Okay, 8 tenths. Okay, now and here 2 digits are there, therefore I will write 9 hundredths. 9 hundredth. And here 2 digits, therefore I will write 19 hundredth. 19 hundredth. After that 3 digits are there, therefore I will write 473 thousandth. 473 thousandths. And here only 2 digits, therefore I will write 35. You may see 35 hundredth. And here in the next one we will see that 5.365. Now the question 6, you will write this 5 and 365 thousandth. Okay student, because there are 3 digits and in thousand there are 3 zeros. 365 365 thousandth. Okay student, now we are on question number 7. It is 1009 and 1009 and so 1009 and 607 thousandth. 607 thousandth. Okay, now question number 8. The question number 8 is 12.008. So after decimal how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So you will write 12 point, sorry, I will not write this form. 12 and 8. How many digits are there? 3. So I will write thousandth. So student, in this way I have written the second form of these decimal numbers. So I am pausing the video so that you can understand both the methods in how to write a decimal number in words. So student, if you like this video and get 100% concept clarity and you are satisfied here, then please subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke.